Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq and SPX price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is the daily close for Nasdaq and SPX. We're gonna see what happened, what it might happen tomorrow as well, and for the next price action. So basically, yes, we are impulsive here. We see an impulse toward the upside. Of course, we see a double 1-2 even. And then, of course, a wave 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5. So this is a very remarkable impulse that we are looking at here. For Nasdaq, even it can be, yeah, as I mentioned, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for your wave 3. This is your wave 3 over there unfolding, and you might see, of course, a 4, 5, 4, 5 toward the upside. So very interesting. We just hit the 1-to-1 fib level, okay, and we are wondering right now, are we impulsive? Now, the problem is as well, you can consider this like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a wave A. You have a very shallow wave B. And you move directly 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for a wave C. So it still can be, of course, a zigzag, guys. So we cannot really yet be confirming right now that we're moving for higher prices, right? We still need more indication that we are, of course, bullish here. And by the way, if we are here in several 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we would like to see 4, 5, 4, 5. So if we get this 4, 5, 4, 5, okay. That is a much better indication that this is an impulse. And once we get an impulse, therefore, okay, we have to expect at least a bigger ABC or, of course, continuation for higher 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And that means, of course, in a bigger view here, we are turning this 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, which is finished already there, to a big wave 1, 2 here. And that because you have already even reached the 0.38 anyway from this move there. As you can see, the 0.38 has been exactly taken. And we start to see, of course, higher prices. So if the things are going to continue for higher there, like this, in this shape. So yeah, guys, we have to, of course, raise a warning here. We might be, of course, bullish. Now, we were expecting this blue box. So nothing is surprising, of course. We were expecting this blue box. We were expecting the 1-to-1 fib level. Now, the structure looks like a zigzag still, unless you take, of course, 4, 5, 4, 5. If we see continuation, guys, for higher, yeah, the things are shifting to be very bullish here, probably, and to see, of course, something, yeah, much more higher. But we're going to take it step by step. I prefer, of course, to watch to see what's going to be the reaction. If we get 4, 5, 4, 5 first, wave 1, wave 2, is it going to be corrective or not? Yeah, so it can be ABC, nobody knows. Wave 3 is extended and then boom, moving towards the downside. However, more indication here as well is, of course, this potential zigzag as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B, and a wave C. Yeah, so we're going to see, guys, step by step, of course, is very, very recommended here, and of course to be very very patient, yeah, with it, to see what's gonna be, guys, before, of course, rushing for something else. Let's see the SPX or the US 500 here. So we can see, of course, as well the same. We see kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave A, right, wave B, wave C potentially unfolding. So this is kind of like also a structure wave B, right? So we don't see a deep wave 2, at least 0.38. Definitely we didn't reach the 0.38 here. And that means, of course, this is only the 0.23, which is even not touched. And that, yeah, a question mark. ABC, potentially extended wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, and a 5. The same for Nasdaq happening. We're going to see, of course, guys, as well. We need more evidence. We need 4, 5. And of course, to see finished impulse. If we get more 4, 5, okay, might be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Therefore, okay, we have no other choice. 1, 2, or ABC toward the upside. We're gonna take the high. Yep. So this is what basically what we are looking right now. It's better, of course, to stay a little bit precautious in this area, of course, because yeah, it might continue towards the downside at any time. We are not very sure, of course. It might be a trap, so be careful, guys. That was it for Nasdaq and SPX. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.